Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Making a smart home a little less cloudy. Hubitat Elevation is the name of a hub designed to control smart home gear without the need for some other company's cloud. And that's the key difference between this and its rivals. A big deal if you're concerned about security. The small box is designed for do-it-yourselfers, according to Director of Business Development, Patrick Stuart.
Once you've got that installed, allows you to connect to a wide variety of consumer available sensors and devices. So Zigbee and ZWave devices are very common out there. Things like motion sensors, contact sensors, so you can tell if a door is open or closed, all the way up to dimmers and switches or light bulbs.
A Hubitat Elevation is impressive with built-in support for a wide range of smart home gadgets, and you can find it for about $100. For more, head to Hubitat.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.